So how do you do it for free? So n8n actually provides you with a self-hosting option lah, which means like for Asian, we love it because you don't have to pay a single cent and we can use cool things like this. Okay, we want it to be free, as it's free as much as possible lah. Okay, because not everyone can afford to pay 20 USD, correct? So you can use a self-hosting n8n options over here. So once you, okay, before we talk about clicking and going inside here, right, you need to install an application called Node.js. Okay, very simple. Once you go to Node.js, select if you're using Windows, use Windows. If you're using Linux, just click on Linux. Okay, in the Apple, just click. Okay, I'm using the 22.12. You can use this one, the one that they recommended, 22.18. Okay, to run your n8n. Okay. If while we are waiting for the next part, right, so I want you to look at these AI classes that we have over here. Go to 1-2.com. So this is the website address, 1-2.com. All right. So in this 1-2.com, so you can see over here, we have classes from ChatGPT all the way to Canva. All right. And best of all, okay, the registration fees are pretty cheap. They are very, very affordable. It's only at 39 USD. 39 USD for this entire like 1 to almost like 10 classes, AI classes lah. And it's not going to be like drag you for 2 or 3 days. We don't waste your time. Okay, we'll straight go to the point. Okay, so it's going to be like 2 hours classes for all these 10 AI, AI tools that you may use. Okay, one thing for sure that we may change this AI tool based on the market requirement, based on whatever that we feel that it is important in today's trend. Okay, so please head on to these 1-2.com to learn more about the AI classes. So we have AI classes for 2 hours. We even have AI workshop for 5 days live training. Definitely will drill you down all the way. And also we have like school packages or enterprise packages for those of you who run companies and who needs your employee to be really like AI driven or AI ready. So once you have downloaded it, then you install it like normal. Then go back to this one, go to the documentation, click on self-hosting, then you come to this page, right? When you come to this page, very simple. Then click on this, the npm version, because we're gonna install the npm. Come over here. Okay, don't use the npx one. Use the npm. Okay, so how do you install these into your PC? You need a software called Git Bash. Okay, just click on the Git Bash over here. Oh, sorry. So once you click on the software like Git Bash, right, so what you do is very simple. You need to, let me close on first. Okay, you need to type this one. This one, npm install n8n-g lah, to install it globally. So once you install this, right, okay, I'm not going to show you install it, just press enter and install it. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to install, depending on the speed of your PC actually, and also your internet connection lah, right? So once you install this, right, okay, everything's done, then you can actually run it by using n8n start. Let me run it again for you. Just press this one. Okay, you run it. Probably it takes around like 30 seconds to load, but it's okay, right? So once you have run the n8n, you have to fill up some forms, some stuff, right? Okay, where is your company? Who is your company? What is your name? All those things lah. Okay, then after that, you'll be directed to this page. Very simple, right? Okay, then you can create a workflow over here. Just click on this one and just create a workflow. So you can create as many workflow as possible, and it's free because everything is hosted in your PC. The only thing is, when you have an update, when there's an n8n update, right, you need to update it by yourself. Updating is also very simple. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Bye.